REBAR Module Function Introduction. Draw REBAR 2. Free Draw REBAR. This command allows freehand drawing of any reinforcement bar. Click the Free Draw REBAR function. If the outline of the member's drawn lines is available, you can optionally specify a rebar offset distance. This offset distance refers to the clear spacing between the drawn outline and the outer surface of the rebar. If a negative value is entered, the bar will be offset to the opposite side of the outline. Set the rebar width and hook type. Left-click to specify the start point and each bend point of the bar in sequence. Press Enter after selecting the last point. The hook will point in the direction of the cursor position when you click. Freehand rebar placement completed. Draw Spot Rebar. This command draws rebars perpendicular to the drawing plane. Click the Draw Spot Rebar function. 5 placement modes are provided. Each mode prompts you with different command line instructions. Taking straight line layout as an example for the demonstration. Enter the number of point bars or their spacing. Select the line for placing point rebar. Specify the endpoint of the rebar. Select the side of the line for the point rebar. Drawing spot rebar completed. Draw grouped rebar. This command draws a group of reinforcement bars. Click the Draw Grouped Rebar function. Set the bar spacing and width. Select the type of bar hooks. Specify the starting point and the end point of steel group. Drag to determine the number of steel group. Group rebar drawing completed. Draw rebar mesh. This command draws a rebar mesh. Click the Draw Rebar Mesh function. Set the mesh drawing parameters. Specify the starting point and the end point of the steel mesh. Drag to determine the number of steel mesh. Rebar mesh drawing completed. Convert line to rebar. This command converts complex lines of any shape directly into rebars. Click the Convert Line to Rebar function. Select the line or arc. Right-click to complete the conversion. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.